Hi, this is Ray with Class 5. This is the last of the 3 videos showing MCCC users how to use the cell phone app. This is an Android phone. This is my personal phone. So what you're going to do should act exactly the same on iOS, other than things are named a little bit different. But basically go into your Play Store or wherever you would download apps. Type in Wildix, W-I-L-D-I-X. And there's only one app to load, so there's no choices to be made. Just load the Wildix app. From there, open the app, and you're going to see this screen. You're going to put the domain address that's exactly the same as what you logged into Collaboration as, which is going to be mccc.wildixin.com. You're then going to add in your extension and your password. And then you're going to hit enter, which is the checkbox at the top right. Okay? From here, you can still change your ringtone and other personal settings just like you did in the Collaboration app. Okay? But what's also available in here is you can choose whether or not you can initiate video calls. You can turn off the vibration option. You can also, this is a unique feature, if you guys use paging on a certain site, you can actually allow paging, overhead paging, to come across this app. Okay. You're also going to have some options here with your mic gain, just in case you need to turn that up when you're on speaker or something like that. And you can also choose whether or not the app still runs in the background. So like for me, even when I close the app, and it looks like it's not running, my phone will still ring and still show me things coming in on the system because I have it running in the background at all times. You can turn that off. So let's say you only want it running when it's open, okay? However, what happens is that means you need to log in every single time versus running in the background keeps me logged in all the time, okay? There's also an echo canceller option on here, and there's a calibrate echo canceller. So if you're going to use it, turn it on, then use the calibration, and it'll do this kind of ping noise, and that helps it to set up the microphone a little bit better. Okay? Now, if we push the blue button right here in the middle, that takes us to the main screen. So, looks like a normal dial screen for a cell phone. From here, you can actually search. So if I wanted to search for, if I can use my fingers here, Anna. Let's try Kathy. You'll notice that it matches all of the Kathys that are within my phone or the system. Okay? So you can use that. Sorry about that. Let's clear that. There you go. So that kind of leaves it up there. Now, on the bottom left is your contacts list, which it will pull in your contacts from your cell phone if you allow it. Right next to that is your call history. This shows your entire call history, missed or made. You can also sort it by missed only. You can then, to the right, you'll notice these little arrows that will actually give you more information about that call. And then right here is how you get to your voicemail. So this is your visual voicemail that most people are used to seeing. Okay? And again, you can download it to listen to it, you can delete it, and you can mark it as read. If you're worried about your voicemail filling up, there's 89 messages sitting in my voicemail. It takes a long time to fill up this voicemail. Let's go over to the chat option right here. You're going to click on that. Now this shows a history of who I've chatted with, and if I go into it, it'll show me what I've done. Now, this is completely synced with everything on your phone and the Collaboration web interface. So everything that you've done in all of those systems shows up in this app also. Okay? Again, the gear goes back to those settings where we were playing with, the advanced settings. If you click back on the middle blue button, now, from right here, if you push on it one more time, you'll notice 3 options kind of come up. Okay? If we push on this option right here, these are the button keys that are programmed on your desk phone. This is how you get to those function keys. okay? And if you have 50 of them, it'll just scroll and you'll have access to all of them. And if you notice, like for my phone, I actually have a day-night switch, a paging option, a page external option, and I have park keys, okay? If you click on that blue button again, on the far right, you go back to this screen. Now, if I answer a call on this phone, which is my own phone, so what I'll do is I'll actually make a phone call. Yes, I'll make a phone call from the desk here. No, that's not going to work. How's that going to work? I want to show you a live call, but everybody is in night mode right now. It is about 10 o'clock on a Sunday night. So from here, if you have a phone call, as a matter of fact, I will go ahead and let's see, I can call 202, hit call. That's what the call will look like, and those are the options that we can choose. Actually, you know what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to log into this phone as one of your users. So I'm going to go over here, I'm going to log out. I'm going to log in on the MCCC. I'm going to log in as Anna, which is going to be extension 201. I'm going to use her default password right now. Anna, make sure you change your password. And I'm now logged in as Anna. Now, I can go ahead and take a phone call from the receptionist. If I call the right phone number. There you go. You'll hear my desk phone ringing, and you'll see the cell phone app. Now, I use that green option. I answer the call. Let me put this in mute. In mute also there, so we don't get any feedback. So the options that you'll notice is there's an option to start a video call if that person has video on the other side. Again, this can be a one-way video call. You can push this button right here, which will put it in speaker mode, right? If you have a Bluetooth headset, the Bluetooth option will show up on that button right there also, okay? This is the pause button or the hold option. This is the record, so you can actually record a call from your cell phone, okay? And then the option in the middle is for a transfer. Now, if you want to transfer a call, if you notice I clicked on that, it's going to say device, contact, or number. If I choose contact, it's going to take me over to my list of contacts. If I choose number, it just allows me to pick a number. Let's do Kathy Martin again because she'll enjoy this.
The person at extension 202 is unavailable.
And if you notice, that call is just gone. It just left. Okay? Now, the other option that you can do is if I have this call, again, let me mute these options. If I want to transfer this call by using the one-touch keys that are the buttons on my phone, I can click on here, and now I can go over to the four little squares, and I can say, I want to transfer this to Kathy. I clicked on Kathy's button, and now I have transfer. And that call is gone. It's been transferred to Kathy. Okay? So you can transfer it by number. You can transfer it by somebody that has a shortcut on your phone. You can transfer it multiple ways from this cell phone app. That's probably the most confusing thing to do here on the cell phone app. Other than that, that's it. It works. It does all the same things as collaboration. You have access to all the same information, your call history, your chats. You can do all the same functions. You should be able to use a Bluetooth headset, a plugged-in headset, or use it on speaker. Okay? Other than that, I think I'm going to log out as Anna, and we're done for the day.